Organize plan to start poultry farming. Step 1. Define your purpose. Decide why you want to start poultry farming. Income generation business. Food for family and local sales. Commercial supply to hotels, schools, or markets. Choose broilers, meat, layers, eggs, or dual purpose. Step 2. Choose type of poultry. Option A, broilers, meat production. Ready for sale in 6 to 8 weeks. Fast cash flow. Higher feed consumption. Option B, layers, egg production. Start laying at 18 to 20 weeks. Daily egg income. Long-term investment. Step 3, planning and budgeting. Prepare a clear budget before starting. Example budget, 300 broilers, Kenya. Day-old chicks. 300 times KS 120 is equal to 36,000. Feed, 90,000. Vaccines and medication, 10,000. Housing and equipment, 25,000. Labor and utilities, 15,000. Estimated capital needed, KS 176,000. Step 4, site selection and housing. Choose a location that is dry and well-drained, secure from predators, accessible by road. Housing requirements, good ventilation, adequate lighting, space. Broilers, 10 birds per square meter. Layers, 5 birds per square meter. Step 5, purchase quality chicks. Buy from certified hatcheries. Ensure chicks are vaccinated. Transport chicks early morning or evening. Step 6, feeding and water management. Feed accounts for 60 to 70% of total costs. Feeding program broilers. Starter, 0 to 2 weeks. Grower, 3 to 4 weeks. Finisher, 5 to 6 weeks. Clean water available at all times. Step 7, health management and biosecurity. Follow vaccination schedule: Newcastle, Gumboro, fowl pox. Clean house daily. Disinfect equipment regularly. Restrict visitors. Step 8, daily farm management. Check feed and water morning and evening. Observe birds for sickness. Remove dead birds immediately. Keep simple farm records. Step 9, marketing plan. Identify buyers before birds are ready. Local markets, hotels and restaurants, schools and institutions. Direct farm gate sales. Set competitive prices. Step 10, financial projection: 300 broilers. Expected sale birds, 95% 285. Average price per bird, KS 800. Total revenue, 228,000 KS. Estimated costs, 176,000 KS. Expected profit, KS 52,000 per cycle, 6 to 8 weeks. Step 11, risks and solutions. Disease, strict vaccination, and hygiene. High feed costs, buy in bulk. Market fluctuation, prearrange buyers. Step 12, growth plan. Reinvest profits. Increase bird numbers gradually. Add egg production or hatchery. Conclusion: poultry farming can be profitable if well planned and managed. Starting small, maintaining hygiene, and securing markets early are keys to success. This plan can be adjusted for any scale or country.